Alright, 2015 Subaru Forester. Simple job, changing out the cabin filter. It's good to have these cleaned out every now and then. It does come with instructions. I don't know if it's just because it's a more premium, top of the line filter, but it does come with them. Maybe the other ones don't, but if they don't, and you still want to check out how to do it, go ahead and open up the glove box. It'll be shut. I'm going to go ahead and take this. It's very simple. It just pops on and off. It's just like little rubber silicone holding it there. So when it's on, just pop it off. Push it out of the way. Now, this little, it's just like a little notch that sticks inside of here and just kind of hooks itself. And it's like that on the left side as well. It's pretty simple. From the right side of the glove box, just go ahead and pull on it, pop it out, and then pull on this side, and then it just pops right out. See that? It's just little plastic, little notch right here that's just hanging out. Now that we got that out, go ahead and just lift up. All it is some little, just kind of like some little hook clamps that fit right over into these little plastic pieces. Alright, here we go. Super simple. Let's just pop this one out. Right, got some dirt, got some little leaves, all kinds of cool stuff in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that over. Alright, not too much got through on this side, and that's why cabin filters are good to replace every now and then. Toss that to the side, and then put the new one in. Sometimes if I didn't bring anything out, but a lot of times, just to kind of help keep this area as clean as possible. And you'll notice that inside you'll see a little bit of dust and everything, but for a 2015 it's pretty good. And the reason why is because I usually come in here when I change them with like a cleaning towel, and I clean it all off, and I'll get inside of this little fan right here, and I'll just wipe some of the blades. You can kind of turn it like this just to get as many of the blades as you can. Because, I mean, think about it. The more that dust and grit and grime build up, it just messes up gears. It just gets really corroded in there. And then it just becomes just a dirty little area. So to put the new one back in, pretty simple. And I probably will come back out here probably next couple of days and just clean that out, just because I am putting a new one. So it does help it. I even clean up in here. I clean up everywhere just because of the fact, like, why not? I'm not going to let everything just build up with, dirt and grime, because then it just causes a lot of issues down the line. So I'll come in here and I'll clean some of this up. I'm not going to touch any of the, you see that little lube and the grease inside of there? That all stays in there, But everything else I just kind of wipe down, keep it as clean as possible. And then here's that little piece right here that we, just like that we took off. Just goes like this. It actually looks like this just kind of taps right there every time. Alright, and that's pretty much simple, so I hope this helps. I believe that anybody can do this little task right here. Two hands to do this, but you get the drift. Alright, so that's back on. Now I'm just going to come over here and just pop that back in. Super simple. Make sure it's all the way. And then bada bing, bada boom. All done.